Hello, my name is Andrea Palombi and I am a PhD student at the Department of Mechanical Engineering here at UCL. And this is a project I've started working on, and what we see here is a low-cost 3D printed prosthetic device. And obviously, like cheap prosthetic devices can have a huge impact, like when it comes to supporting people like in the third world. And what we wanted to do, basically, we wanted to actually enhance the capabilities of these body-actuated prosthetic hands by providing an haptic feedback to the user. So what we designed is basically a very cheap 3D printed finger made of two materials, one hard and one soft, and we used hydraulics to actually provide a feedback to the user. If I press the finger, I can see a force meter telling me how much force is applied, and that would actually help the user have more control on the grasping with these devices.